Today, Grandma is joining in with one of her awesome friends, Grace Life DIY Home Decor. This is a great channel and she does all kinds of beautiful tablescapes, DIYs, and all kinds of beautiful decor for the home. Please go check her out and let's go see who the co-hostess is for Tablescape Tuesday. You can join in every week if you like. The up time is in the afternoon at 3 o'clock. I usually have to put mine up early because I'm at work at that time. But so far no one has complained. We can only do what we can do. You can join in every week or you can join in once in a while. I'm one of the once in a while Tablescape joiners. I don't join in every week, but I do join in from time to time. And right now, Grandma's doing Alice in Wonderland in her garden. So you're going to see a few tablescapes and tea parties. So I hope you enjoy what I have to share today. But the great thing about Tablescape 4.2, you're going to get a lot of different varieties. Everybody does a little things differently. And now let's talk about our co-hostess. Here is our second hostess, Amethyst Adventures. She is so sweet and so kind, and she's a great friend. And she does a lot of great things on her channel. So go check her out. Give her a little bit of love and support. She does all kinds of tablescapes, things out in the garden, DIY projects. You will be amazed at what she has done. And she's always there for us. So, if you like tablescapes and you like home decor and gardening and DIYs, you'll love her channel. Go check her out. Hi, my sweet friends. It is Tablescape Tuesday time. I hope you enjoy the tablescape I put together today. It really is a tea party in the garden for two, because I only do tablescapes for two or tea parties for two. There's just me and Grandpa. And as you can see, I have put together an Alice in Wonderland theme. It's Alice in Wonderland all month on my channel. So if you love Alice in Wonderland, check out some other posts that we've put up. Hope you enjoy what I'm sharing today. I did a lot of red and white theme pieces in here with a touch of black, as you can tell. All these pieces were bought at different times, but they all work together. And my daughter does a lot of DIY projects, and you can tell she has done a great job too. She made that beautiful centerpiece a few years back for one of our Alice in Wonderland themed tablescapes, reusing it today. There was no money spent on this tablescape. Everything you see, I already owned and had. Hope you enjoy the video, and I hope you come back and see what other beautiful things we have to share. If you want to see more of Alice in Wonderland, check out the month of April and you will see lots and lots of things. I also have about 50 videos on my playlist also if you want to go check it out and look under Alice in Wonderland. And you'll see lots of beautiful displays that we've put together in the past. And I hope you enjoy all the beautiful red roses that we used and all the beautiful teacups and Alice in Wonderland accessories that Grandma owns and has. And as you can see, Grandma loves butterflies. They're everywhere in every one of her posts. I always love a whimsical display, and I love sharing that with you. I hope you love whimsical garden theme posts, because that's what I do a lot of. I think that's what my channel's known for. So don't forget to keep coming back and seeing what new and beautiful things that we have put together for you. We'll have another tablescape with an Alice in Wonderland theme next Tuesday. I wonder what Grandma will come up with then. But look at this beautiful one that my daughter made. Look at the little butterfly there. Like I said, there's butterflies everywhere. And there's Alice going down the rabbit hole. Oh yeah. And there's the white rabbit. And that beautiful tea setup on top of the hat. Isn't that beautiful? My daughter did a beautiful job putting this together. She is always coming up with such beautiful creative ideas. Make sure you go over and check that out too. She's a wonderful channel and she always comes up with something interesting to share, and I know you're going to love it. I know I always love seeing what she comes up with. And Alice in Wonderland themes are not the only thing she does. So make sure you go over and check out Blossom Your Creativity. It's in the description box every video I put together. Go over there, check it out, and see what she does. She is a wonderful creator, and you're going to love what she does. This just gives you a little bit of what she does.